If you see me laughing, my sister is here and she's not holding it together. She's not holding it together.
Not the mist.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to our notification gang. Thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Thank you. In today's video, it's going to be another chill, easy, quick sit down video where we're gonna do I'm gonna do my hair, and we're just gonna have a bit of a chit chat. I am going to be trying out products from 4C only. This is not a paid collaboration. They did want to send me their products to just try out and review, but I've just decided that I wanted to make a video about it because a lot of people were asking me questions about this product, so I figured it might be good for me to actually try the stuff out on camera so you guys know how it is. In terms of product that I actually got, I got 4 items, and the 4 items that I got are the Too Soft leave-in conditioner, the Too Clean shampoo, the Too Thick deep conditioner, and then lastly the Too Slick styling cream. So all these 4 items here I will be trying out. Actually, no, that's a lie. I'll only be trying out 2 of the items because my hair is actually already washed. I washed it a few days ago, so I'm not going to wash it again. So I'm just going to be reviewing 2 out of the 4 items, which is the styling stuff. So the Too Soft leave-in conditioner is like a whipped Vaseline texture, if I can describe it as that. It's like a really thick mousse. In terms of directions, it says drip-in kicks after the Too Thick deep conditioner. Sweet. Apply leave-in conditioner to the hair strands. We recommend working in sections. Make sure each piece of hair is coated with leave-in conditioner. Remember to put some extra respect on your ends. That's the truth. And then the directions for this: after using the leave-in conditioner, this bad boy, on soaking wet hair, add the styling cream and braid. Twist each section. Rehydrate some sections with water if they are too dry. Never apply products to dry hair once done. Oh, okay, that's interesting. Let your hair dry for a full 24 hours. Yep, a full day. After it's 100% dry, carefully unveil with minimal frizz. So the directions are really specific, which I like, and I think a lot of people will enjoy that. So let's try it out. I have my spray bottle here. I bought a new one. I've been wanting to try this out. I saw Chizzy Duru using this one, so I really wanted to try it out, which is like I'll show you. The mist is like impeccable. Look at that. Look at that circulation of the mist. If you see me laughing, my sister is here and she's not holding it together. She's not holding it together.
Not the mist. Okay, sorry.
You have one job. Okay. So we're gonna take my hair out. It is bone dry. Actually, let me spritz it because I can see there's some tension. I've gone ahead and wet it, and of course I'm going to start from the back, and we're going to do the instructions as they said. So my hair should be wet, so I am going to give it a really thorough spray. So first is the Too Soft leave-in conditioner. It has the consistency of shampoo, of conditioner, like actual conditioner. Leave-in conditioner, it's really slippery, but it's a weird, I've never used a leave-in conditioner like that actually, and I'm just gonna lightly detangle my hair while I'm doing it because it's got a few tangles. That's how I actually like it. It seems like it's really water-based, like you can tell because of the way that it feels in your hands. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that curl definition.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. Wow.
Yeah,
My hair has
it's
just
getting-
like.
No, for me it takes like 4 products to get to that. So
Yeah.
the fact that you've gotten to that with just one thing. Tatenda, how is your hair like that? I'm jealous. Who do I have to fight? Is it your mom or dad?
I got it from my mama.
That's it.
I'm actually really impressed. Look at that. What the hell?
No. I need a pack.
What is this?
Because compare the two. Like, that's insane. How is it two different, like, how is it the same?
Look
hair?
at that. Hold on. I took some product before. That. Let's split. That and that. Same hair. Same income. Same super contribution. Okay, now we're gonna try the Too Slick Styling Cream. And this is like, you know that Nivea cream? Nivea cream? This is the consistency. It's a cream. You know when they say cream and it's not cream? It's a cream. I see what they mean in saying that they want you to wait like 24 hours because this is quite a lot of product. But at the same time, I see my hair like just absorbing it all up. This is with the leave-in conditioner and the cream. So the cream is obviously really sealed everything in. I can definitely see that my hair is a little bit more weighted down than it was before. So this is really, the leave-in conditioner is really airy, and then the cream is really, it's thick, but not like thick as in overbearing, as in like raw sheer butter. It's like a nice thick, and it's like really it really coated the hair. There's a lot of slip right now. I messaged them and I asked whether they ship to Australia yet. They don't. So I think at the moment they're still in the starting phases. So they don't ship to Australia yet, but I'm sure they will soon. Just a little bit seems to go a long way. I do remember them saying that a little bit goes a long way, and it's 100% the truth. A little bit does go. I'm really mad that I've been sipping on this product. It's like, I honestly had this stuff in my room. Look at the way it just brushes through.
I'm so sick. My stomach is churning. I'm so mad. No, that's not cool. Look at your curls.
Whoa.
Look at what it's doing to your curls.
I think, to be honest, I think
this is. Are we just gonna put it out there?
No, I think what we should try is putting this in my hair. What do they call it? Wash and go?
Oh, wash.
Yeah, we should try and do a wash and go with this. Because
We've
I've
never
done
been-
a wash and go before, but it didn't turn out this way because the products obviously weren't suited for my hair. But this, wow, something else.
Do the thing when you're ready.
For those of you who ask what it looks like on, coarser hair, this is the coarsest part of my hair.
And it's still got the curls.
So this is just with the leave-in. You ain't mad about anything they did.
I'm
You are in love. You ain't mad about anything.
No, I'm trying to I'm so happy with it.
Wow.
I'm jealous. I just want to see how it feels on my hair because I'm
Ruda's about to take her braids out just so she can try this product. I actually want to put this on Josh's hair and see what it looks like. Hi guys, it's like a few days after. It's now Wednesday and I did this on Monday. So we've had more than 24 hours to dry. But unfortunately, as I'm feeling, this bad boy is still wet, surprisingly. Okay, well there's that, but the rest of them are definitely dry. So we're just gonna go ahead and start taking them out so that you guys can see what the end results are. I can definitely feel that my hair is quite well hydrated. As you can see, not only does it have the definition from the product that we saw when my hair was wet, it has the definition from the braid out as well. This is really lovely. I'm gonna lightly brush it out. Wow, really lovely. Anyway, it's now Friday. I just wanted to show you guys what my hair was looking like. I we put the stuff in on Monday, and now it's Friday. I have been to work, etc. I've come back from work today. It is actually Friday. Let's hope the video goes up today. Sorry. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like. Don't be fooled by the rocks that I got. Don't be fooled by the state it's in. It's actually really, really, really well moisturized, considering that it's been, you know, 4 days out, and there's still some portions like the back of my head, the center of my head. Look at this curls. It's still there, and this is literally with no manipulation or anything like that. But for me it's the moisture. My hair is still so moist. I honestly could do nothing to it other than add water and plait it again. Like, it's really, really good actually in terms of moisture. My hair is very, very happy. Random. The rest of it has been combed and stuff like that, in bun, off bun, in bun, off bun for work. But otherwise, like, yeah, A1, honestly, A1. So that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have seen what you wanted to see and got the results that you wanted to get. And I will see you guys next week. I love you guys so much. Mwah.